Alright fellas, in this video I will show you how to install the JSX file in After Effects. In this example we are going to download and install and activate the JSX file named as TrueComp Duplicator directly into the After Effects. So first of all you need to dive straight into the directory where JSX file is located. You need to make sure that this is the JSX file, and you can confirm it by going into the properties, and you can see that this is the Adobe After Effects extend script, that is JSX. So once you're right inside, you need to copy this JSX file. You can click on copy, or you can use a shortcut which is Ctrl+C. Now once you have copied, there are two ways to paste this JSX file into the After Effects. I will show you both of them one by one. So the first way is you need to go to the root directory of the After Effects. Where you can go to this PC, local disk C. This is the default location of the After Effects. You need to navigate to program files, Adobe, then you need to find the After Effects version. Currently I have Adobe After Effects 2020. I will go right inside, I will click on support files, and I will search for scripts. This is the scripts. I will dive straight into this, and next you need to find the script UI panels, and you need to paste the copied JSX file directly into this folder, and you need to grant all permissions to copy the folder. As you can see, the JSX file has been successfully pasted into the correct directory of the After Effects so that I can use it right inside the After Effects. And there is another way to locate the script UI panels directory of the After Effects using the shortcut. That is, you need to right click on the shortcut of the After Effects, and you need to click on open file location. It will directly navigate you to the support files directory, and once you're right inside, you need to find the scripts again. This is the scripts, and you need to search for script UI panels, and as you can see, the TrueComp duplicator is already inside. So we are done. Let us now go right inside the After Effects. If you have already opened the After Effects, make sure to restart the After Effects. Alright fellas, so we are right inside the After Effects. For demonstration purpose, let us create a new composition and click on OK. As you can see, we are right inside the After Effects with the composition activated, and now you need to go to the window to see the scripts that you have in the After Effects. And as you can see, we have the TrueComp duplicator. This is the .jsx file that is successfully installed in the After Effects. Now we need to activate it. You can simply click on this, and as you can see, this has been launched without any issues. It means that it has been successfully installed and activated in the After Effects. So you can install the JSX files in the After Effects using the same method, and that is very easy. Just follow my steps and you will get your job done in no time. That's it guys, and I hope you like this video. If you have any questions, do comment down below in the comment section. I will try my best to respond to you all as soon as possible. Thanks again for watching this video. Have a nice day.